MODG stock analysis and MODG stock prediction. In this 1 minute video, I'm going to show you exactly how I'm going to do this, how I'm going to trade, you know, how I'm going to play Topgolf Callaway brands. I mean, it's a good 7.6% increase in price. This is how my chart's looking like. And man, I'm about to say I was looking for a sell, but it didn't quite happen. If I come even right here, I do have a lot of previous MODG receipts, man, and you can see it was a sell side beforehand. I was looking for just continuation. It's not quite happening. And all I'm going to say is that, yeah, this could be a big shift that's actually coming around right around the corner. Not that I'm going to randomly buy or anything, but like I'm just saying. Let's come here. Looking to double down on this long side. The only way that I'll do such thing is if it does pull down in my demand zone and does give me some sort of double breaks. And if that does not quite happen, then why the heck would I quite buy? I wouldn't. So stay tuned. And mark up the top. And if you want to learn how I'm making 5-10K per month without indicators, click the first link in the description and get my free email.